house from the Cary area library again for another art project you can do from your home. We're going to be doing leaf printing with washable markers. The leaves are blowing and it's time to start collecting them. So let's get some. Go get your leaves! Supplies you'll need for this art class is white drawing paper or cardstock. Any size will do. A variety of leaves, usually around 6 is good. You can either have washable markers or watercolor markers, and you'll need 2 paper towels, one damp and one dry. Before we start this project, I'd like to talk about 2 design art words. Radial design and symmetrical design. Maybe you've heard these words before in art class. Radial design is when something starts in the center and radiates out. Same thing in this plant. So these are 2 like nature pictures that show radial design. Symmetrical design is when elements are situated equally around the center of an object. And an easier way to explain it, this snowflake is symmetrical. It also is a radial design because it starts in the center and moves out. But if you divide the snowflake in half, it's a mirror image on one side to the other side, so it's symmetrical. We're going to try and use these words in our art project today. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is pick a leaf for the center of your art project. I like to pick a bigger size leaf just because it's in the center and it's all by itself. You'll notice that leaves have 2 sides. One's a really bumpy side where you can feel the veins when you touch it, and the other side is smoother. You want to color the bumpy side of the leaf. So I'm just going to take my marker and color the back side of the leaf. The leaves I picked for this project, I went around last night and collected them and put them in a Ziploc bag till I used them today, so they're fresh and not all dried and wrinkly. So if you need to collect them early because leaves are falling from the trees, just put them in a Ziploc bag. Okay, once you got that colored, you're going to take your damp paper towel and you're just going to wipe the area where your leaf is going to be printed. I want to get the paper just a little bit damp. My paper towel is not dripping wet, just damp. And then you lay your leaf, and then you lay the dry paper towel on top and try and press down all areas of the leaf. And when you pick it up, you get a leaf print. You're going to continue doing this around your leaf, thinking of a radial design and symmetrical. So I'll pick another leaf here, a smaller one, and this one I'm going to do on all 4 sides. So I'm going to find the bumpier side of the leaf. Actually, I'm going to take a smaller one. I'm going to take this one. Okay, I'm going to put this leaf aside. I'm going to pick another color. Let's go purple. And I'm going to color the back side, the bumpier side of this leaf. Notice I'm coloring my leaf on the paper towel. I'm not doing it on my artwork. All right, I forgot to do the stem a little bit. All right, this one I'm gonna do right up here. So I'm gonna Use my damp paper towel, and I'm gonna do it down here. Sometimes you can get 2 leaf prints out of 1 leaf. I'm gonna lay it down there. Take my paper towel. Press down. Pull up my leaf. I'm going to try and get another one without coloring it again. Sometimes it works, sometimes not. Notice I put my leaf in the same direction because I want it to be symmetrical, so it's mirroring the image. Let's see if that will give me another print without coloring again. And it did. Not as dark, but that'll work. I can use this leaf again and do 2 more on either side to make it symmetrical, or I could choose another leaf and keep going till I fill up my paper. Okay, I wanted to show you this sample because in this one I used 1 leaf and I colored it multiple colors, so that's always an option too. Notice that I did radial design starting in the center and moving out, and it's symmetrical because I did everything mirror image. This ended up being my finished product. Radial design and symmetrical. I used a variety of leaves, so it's good to have some big ones, some little ones to add in. Okay, well, thanks for joining me for making leaf prints. See you next time for another fun art project from the Cary Area Library.